Jonathon Moline. Next day, trip. Hoover Dam time.
We go that way, we're going to have to face.
I'm Jonathon Moline. We have finally made it to the Hoover Dam. This is Dam Tour Part 1. Up here we're at the overlook. It's quite beautiful up there, actually.
This is called the takeoff structure.
Let's see. There's the parking lot where we came from.
From the takeoff structure, the wires
And
carry the
I hope
electricity.
you enjoyed that strip video I did last night. It was pretty cool. Check out for Ben for that. On Lake Mead, you did not want to fall down there. Oh man, you'd be dead. The parents are over there, so we're gonna do the rest of this trip. We're gonna do the rest of this building and dam tour later. See more. Peace. Stay tuned for part 2. We are underneath Hoover Dam now. Cool. Dad, what do you think of the tunnel?
Good.
It's like all dark and stuff. Bats just show up out of nowhere. Still, this is very cool. This is nice and cool down here. I'm sweating earlier.
You can be like the fire. Yeah.
Speaking of looking really cool. Ooh.
Carolina guys, can you just grab a spot anywhere like along that balcony railing? Still some good spots on the far end, guys. If you want to head all the way down to the far end of the balcony, grab some close-up pictures of the generators. Feel free to do so. Carolina guys, come right on in. Again, just grab a spot anywhere you like along the balcony railing. Anywhere on that railing is good to go, folks. Come right on in, guys. Come right on in. Again, just grab a spot anywhere you like, folks. Again, feel free to head down to the far end of the balcony if you guys want to get some close-up pictures of the generators. Again, feel free to do so. Come on in, guys.
We're now on the inside of this structure.
Alrighty, guys. Well, welcome now to the hydroelectric power plant here at the Hoover Dam.
Nice.
Again,
now we are officially walking down a tunnel that looks like a subway to the actual dam. This is going to be pretty interesting. Very interesting. Continue. Really cool.
And turn around and come back on the right hand side. See the IDs down there? Do you see the ID on the
Wow, that sucks.
Nobody's gonna take that, right?
No. Go ahead, guys. Go and take your pictures and come back on the right hand side.
okay, go ahead.
Wow. That would suck if that just opened up when we were standing.
You see the second grade? You see the ID for them?
Is this one right here?
Yeah.
The selfie?
No.
Just go down the ladder and get it.
Don't accidentally.
Anti-targeting.
Yeah. That way. Or actually, maybe I should do it. Oh, how are we gonna? Oops.
That's cool.
Almost at the visitor center. About 16 feet from the canyon.
Anti-target, imagine if you had to climb up all those stairs.
It's brutal, trust me. I have done it many times.
Oh, you've done it before?
Just for fun. Especially we've had new tour guides. That's how we initiate.
I was gonna say, what's part of the job?
It's part of the marathon.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's a long way up. Now we are outside of the dam again.
Oh, it's so right there and it's dark there.
And
Nothing to do with the water.
yeah, we were all the way down there. And yeah. So yeah, that was Hoover Dam, which was really cool. And yeah.
Okay, I'll be ready for lunch.
Peace. I'm getting hungry. So I know I showed you the Hoover Dam, and you guys have probably seen that, but you're about to see the bonus view. On top of the Peace Bridge.
Yeah, so say that thing last time.
Yeah. This is it. We were just down on that dam down there earlier. Pretty cool, right? Okay. Right about here. We're down there, and all the way down there. And this will get to Arizona. We were down there. Awesome. I love vacations. And we're taking a look at downtown Vegas.
The back side of the strip.
The other side of the strip.
Oh,
My mom is filming. Hi, Mom. We're in the car. Where did we eat, Mom?
Batista's hole in a wall.
And
Italiano.
the three of us are crammed in the back like sardines. Yeah.
It's lovely.
I don't think there's much to tape back here, honey.
Yay.
Sorry.
Should have got the front.
Yeah, we should have got the front, I guess. But
No, he was there.
oh, what's that?
GM.
What is that?
It's cool, eh?
What is that?
No, I can't see. I can see here. Can't see that.
Yeah.
I think that's Australian 80s because the original.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a lot of concrete right there, whatever that
A lot of concrete.
We're behind the strip. It's actually a quieter road. Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. MGM Grand down there.
Actually, you should figure out what this street is. This is a good way to come downtown, maybe.
There's the Tropicana.
Tropicana.
Instead of coming down the main strip.
Vegas
There,
trip
look at
was
the
fun.
lights shining up there. Who is turn here?
It's not a bad spot.
Yeah. Oh, there, John. You're going down the
Yeah.
MGM.
Jam.
Watch this guy.
See some of the.
Oh, there's the police car.
Well, this is a presence, eh? Keeps everybody.
Yep.
There's an elbow in my rib.
They have it in California, so.
MGM Grand.
Over there is the roller coaster if you could barely see it.
Yep, I can see it. Somebody's going down it.
If you're looking for a hotel at one of these places, oh, I remember that.
Is this it yet?
No,
This is Ocean Drive.
Yeah.
There's no oceans around.
This is downtown strip.
That's my arm.
They're biting. My
That's
parents.
New York there.
Yeah, and I can't really film
What
it.
you call close family.
The best family. The Statue of Liberty.
The Adams family.
Do 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 do.
Look! It's a castle!
Excalibur.
It's the Excalibur.
Ooh, look at that.
We were walking in
John,
there.
look
Look
right,
at that
look to right.
magnificent lion there.
I can't.
Here, give it to me, give it to me.
Give it to your mother. She can
Oh,
kind
there's
of
Buzz.
Oh, there's that beautiful.
There's the Excalibur. We walked in there.
Eiffel Tower.
And that's where
I've seen the Eiffel Tower. Or no, what's
That's
her
not
name?
the Eiffel Tower, that's the Statue
Oh,
of Liberty.
yes, that's Statue of
Yeah,
Your dad's a goof.
he is a goof.
I can't help it.
Well, we did see the Eiffel Tower too.
It's
I saw the real Eiffel Tower in real life. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we were holding down here the other day. It was pretty cool. The point of the strip.
I must admit, it looks neat though around here.
Yeah.
It is.
It really does.
Hi guys, Jonathon Moline here. And if you're wondering why I'm in the bathroom, well, I'm about to use the bathroom. But before that, I hope you enjoyed this Vegas trip thing. Today I saw the Hoover Dam. It was great. Then after that, I went down to the strip one more time to eat at a restaurant called Batista's. Hole in the Wall was really good. Then after that, we were in the car showing with my family the strip, some of the cool casinos that we went down there. So yeah, I hope you, and this so far comes to an end of our journey in Vegas. So yeah. So tomorrow we're going to Vancouver, and then after that we're going to Winnipeg, back home. So, hope you enjoyed this two-parter series, and on my channel is more than 2 parts. So, for Brony Entertainment Network and my own channel, thank you for watching the Vegas videos, and yeah, stay frosty, my friends, and rock on, and Viva Las Vegas! Thank you very much. Peace.